Bicycling in 2001, Lance Armstrong won the Tour de France. By the way, later he admitted to using all these performance-enhancing steroid kind of things, but no big deal. Completing the 3454 kilometer course in about 86.3 hours. Traveling at his average speed, how long would it take for him to ride 185 kilometers? Round the answer to the nearest tenth. These are word problems that kids are so good at. Here's the key. You just have to be consistent. You could set it up 4 different ways and be perfect. The key is consistency. So let's look at the first part they tell us. He completed a 3,454 kilometer race in 86.3 hours. That can be our first fraction. So 3454 kilometers in 86.3 hours. So look at that fraction. We have kilometers in the numerator, we have hours in the denominator. Did we have to do that? No, but that's what we set up. If we did that on the first fraction, we have to do that on the second fraction. We'd have to also have kilometers in the numerator and hours in the denominator. So let's see what else they give him. Traveling at this average speed, how long would it take for him to ride 185 kilometers? So, kilometers, 185. We don't know how long it's going to take. That's our unknown. So let's just give it a variable like x or whatever. Once you have it set up, the units don't matter that much until the end. We know it's going to be something hours, so it might be 54 hours or something like that. But let's solve it. We cross multiply. 3,454 times x. I gotcha. That's 3,454x. Set that equal to the other cross products. 86.3 times 185. Now I know you guys know all your multiples of 86.3. I don't, I'm sorry. So let's try that. 86.3 times 185. And we've got 15,965.5. How do we solve that? Yes, we divide by 3,454. 3,454. 3,454. And it says we're going to round to the nearest tenth. So divided by 3,454, 4.6. Now look back to where this was. That's x. So 4.6 hours. 4.6 hours. Now if I said, how many minutes would that be? You know, each 1 hour would be 60 minutes, so you can do 4 times 60, 240. And then you have 6/10 of an hour. 1/10 of an hour would be 6 minutes. So 6 times 6 would be 36 minutes. So 4 hours was 240 plus 36, 276 minutes, or 4 hours and 36 minutes. Oh my goodness, all kinds of craziness.